Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best camping pantry is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast, transforming chaotic camp cooking into an organized, stress-free culinary experience, ensuring all your ingredients and utensils are neatly stored and readily accessible, making meal prep under the stars as enjoyable as the adventure itself, and truly elevating your entire campsite setup from basic to brilliantly efficient. Number 5. CampLand Outdoor Folding Table with Storage. Introducing your perfect outdoor companion. This lightweight and compact folding table is designed for effortless transport and storage, making it ideal for all your on-the-go adventures. Crafted from durable MDF, aluminum, and Oxford fabric, it sets up in mere seconds. This table provides a sturdy surface for all your outdoor activities, from meals to games. With its zippered storage organizer, you get ample space to keep your essentials. It also protects your food from unwanted bugs and animals, ensuring a clean and enjoyable experience. Capable of holding up to 66 pounds, it's perfect for camping, picnics, or backyard barbecues. This versatile addition brings the comforts of home to any outdoor setting. Please note, its tabletop is not waterproof. We recommend using a tablecloth or wiping it dry immediately after rain to ensure its longevity and prevent water stains. What we like. This table offers a lightweight and compact design, making it incredibly easy to transport and store. Its zippered storage compartment is perfect for keeping your food safe from bugs and animals. If you're looking for a simple, portable setup for quick picnics or tailgating, this one is an excellent choice for its convenience and integrated storage. What people say. Offers organized storage for food and cooking essentials. Features a sturdy, collapsible design for easy transport and setup. Includes multiple shelves and a zippered cover to keep items secure and clean. Number 4. Pack Gear Hanging Carry-On Organizer S. Introducing the Pack Gear Hanging Carry-On Organizer. This versatile solution is designed to fit perfectly into any suitcase, from a sleek half-inch design to fully expanded. Measuring 9.75 inches by 7.75 inches by 19 inches, it's ideal for air travel and keeping your belongings tidy. Its compact yet expandable nature ensures it accommodates all your travel necessities. Packing is now incredibly simple. Just fill each compartment, place it in your bag, and you're ready to go. It features zippered pockets to keep everything secure and prevent spills. Once you arrive, hang it in tight spaces like hotel bathrooms or closets for easy access to your items. Reinforced steel hooks secure it to any fixture, transforming your space instantly. No more rummaging. Its mesh windows make it easy to locate clothes and accessories at a glance. You can find exactly what you need without unpacking your entire bag. What we like. This organizer is designed to fit perfectly into any carry-on suitcase, expanding to hold all your essentials. Its unique hanging design allows you to maximize space in tight hotel rooms or tents, keeping everything accessible. If you prioritize efficient packing and easy access to your items while on the go, this system will keep your gear tidy and visible. What people say. Number 3. Eagle Peak Outdoor Folding Camping Table. This versatile table sets up or folds away in mere seconds, requiring no tools at all. Weighing just 16.6 pounds, it transforms into a thin, lightweight suitcase with a carry handle for effortless transport and compact storage. It even includes a bonus carrying bag for added convenience. When open, it provides a generous surface area, perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Take it camping, to BBQs, parties, picnics, or use it in your backyard and for tailgating. Its compact design makes it an ideal companion for any event. Crafted with a durable MDF tabletop, it's waterproof, stain-resistant, and incredibly easy to clean. The frame boasts anti-rust powder-coated aluminum and robust polyester, ensuring strong stability and long-lasting use. This sturdy companion can support up to 66 pounds. Featuring a large top surface, it also includes a central zippered compartment and 6 side pockets. The central storage offers ample space to organize your camp and protect food from pests. Its versatile 3-tier organizer can be customized to your specific needs. Both the waterproof desktop and the 3-level shelves are conveniently removable for easy cleaning. 2 mesh backside windows ensure breathable airflow, keeping your stored items fresh. Please note, it should not be used in the rain. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year limited after-sale protection from the original purchase date. This promise covers its frames, tops, and bags, unlike many other manufacturers. Our professional service team is always ready to assist with any questions you may have. What we like. This table boasts an incredibly easy setup, folding into a compact suitcase in seconds. It features a large 3-tier storage organizer and side pockets, offering ample space to keep your camp tidy. If you need a highly organized and quickly deployable kitchen solution for longer camping trips, this option provides robust storage and a durable, easy-to-clean surface. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, it is not possible to extract any points as requested. Number 2. SylvanSport Dine-o-Max Large Camp Kitchen System. This ultimate camping kitchen offers ample space for all your outdoor culinary needs. With 2 solid bamboo countertops, it provides 8.8 square feet of prep surface. Its integrated nylon carrying case is built to last. This ensures durability and protection against various weather conditions. A large wash basin is included for convenient outdoor meal prep and easy cleanup. It makes tidying up after meals a breeze. This system provides complete kitchen organization and storage. It features adjustable cubbies to keep all your cooking essentials neatly arranged. Its durable aluminum frame sets up quickly and locks securely. It's also height adjustable and folds compactly into its integrated carrying case for easy transport. What we like. This system provides a full camp kitchen experience, complete with 2 solid bamboo countertops for extensive prep space. It includes a large collapsible wash basin, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. If you're aiming for a luxurious glamping experience with all the comforts of a home kitchen, this comprehensive setup is designed for serious outdoor cooking and organization. What people say. Number 1. Giantex Folding Camping Storage Cabinet. This versatile cupboard folds into a compact size, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. It even comes with a convenient carrying bag, perfect for all your adventures. Its wide top provides a perfect platform for drinks and snacks. Inside, 3 spacious shelves offer organized storage for a variety of items, meeting all your different needs. Setting it up is a breeze, taking less than a minute. Simply lift it, lock the mechanisms, and insert the boards to have it ready for use. Constructed with a powder-coated steel frame and a durable MDF tabletop, it ensures great strength and a long service life. The premium Oxford cloth is waterproof and weather-resistant, designed to withstand the elements. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor activities like camping, picnics, or barbecues, it offers unmatched convenience. Its design makes folding and setting up simple, enhancing daily use. What we like. This pop-up cupboard offers a wide cabinet top and 3 inner shelves for convenient storage of plenty of items. It sets up and takes down in less than a minute, providing instant pantry space. If you need a dedicated, quick-deploying storage solution to keep your food and supplies organized and off the ground, this cabinet is ideal for creating an instant outdoor pantry. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.